5 Best Vacuum for Laminate Floors Reviews. Number 1. Tineco A11 Hero Cordless Vacuum. Tineco Cordless Vacuum features with lithium battery powers this vacuum for up to 50 minutes without needing to be recharged. The battery charges even when removed from the vacuum, increasing the vacuum's autonomy. The Tineco A11 features a powerful motor that gives it powerful sucking capabilities to get rid of different kinds of dirt on any type of floor. The motor is quiet and does not disturb the house when in use. Its brushes are versatile, providing the needed care for the kind of floor the vacuum is used on. The Tineco A11 is lightweight for easy lifting to clean walls and ceilings without straining the user's muscles. It suctions up dust and filters it through Tineco's trademark filtration system, which also releases non-allergenic fresh air without releasing the dust trapped in its dust bag. Number 2. Shark Rocket DuoClean Laminate Floor Vacuum. This vacuum features Shark's DuoClean technology, where there is a bristle brush that targets tougher stains and is good for deep cleaning thick carpets, and a softer brush that polishes the floors. It is equipped with a hair removal tool that can be used to detangle the brushes from pet fur and other types of hair. There is a garage on the vacuum where the brushes can be stored and retrieved easily during cleaning. It also comes with a variety of accessories: a pet tool which can suction up pet fur from any surface, and a crevice tool that cleans on the edges of the wall and in corners. To guide the user when cleaning, the vacuum features powerful LED lights that shine ahead. To attach the extra accessories, you need to press a button located at the top of the vacuum wand so that the handle lifts and you can connect your desired accessory. Number 3. Hoover Lynx Cordless Stick Vacuum for Laminate Floors. This type of vacuum is manufactured in China and can be found in the main sales outlets and sites too. It is battery compatible and cordless, unlike other vacuum cleaners. The vacuum uses fade-free lithium-ion battery that guarantees you slow fade power. It is easy to use and reach all the corners of the house. It's cordless, making it easy to move around with. Lightweight and weighs only 7.3 pounds. And making the cleaning process easy and fast to go with it as well. It has a LED status bar that enables you to know how much charge is remaining on the battery and when the battery is full as well. The vacuum is multi-purpose, as it is designed with 3 switches that allow you to change when cleaning different surfaces such as the carpet and hardwood. Number 4. iLife V5's Pro Robot Vacuum Mop Cleaner. This robot vacuum features all-in-one vacuum features, sweeper and mopper features powered by a powerful motor. This motor is powered up by a battery which keeps it running for more than 2 hours. The V5s is small and thin, meaning that it can fit under furniture and into tight corners. It is fitted with powerful sensors so that it can make its way around the house without bumping into obstacles and getting stuck. It has big wheels to roll over thick, uneven floors and small toys, with technology that enables it to self-rescue if it is stuck. The V5s is outfitted with technology that helps it pick up dust and larger particles without getting clogged. It can also pick up fur and hair from pets without harming the V5 system. Number 5. Bissell Crosswave Hard Floor and Carpet Cleaner. This vacuum can clean and wash your floor all at once and is suitable for both hard floors and carpets. To enhance this function, it contains a microfiber brush that mops your floor and also a nylon brush that takes away the dust and other dry dirt. This makes sure that your floor remains dust-free and dry, making it suitable for use on laminate floors. The two brushes are easy to remove and replace when needed. The Crosswave carries 2 tanks. In one, the cleaning solution is stored and dispensed when cleaning. The second tank stores the dirty water sucked up during cleaning. The 2 tanks are effective since the cleaning solution and the dirty water do not come into contact and therefore makes it effective for cleaning.
Oh.